Greetings, fellow vendors. Mike here with 720 Vending. Working on my Vendo 475 machine. I've had some sticky columns and some jackpotting columns due to a couple of cans that happened to explode inside the machine after somebody shook it and it dropped it down right on top of the motors. So I'm going to do a quick fix with some scalding hot water to fix the brakes on the motors. And then I'm going to change out all of the motor switches because, one, they're getting old. This machine's probably 40 years old, maybe close to 35, 40, but the switches wear out and they get sticky sometimes. So here's all the motors, and so, like, see how slow the brake reacts? Like, this one's really slow. It's supposed to be like this, nice and quick in movements. But because somebody shook the machine and dropped one of these cans out, it landed down here and exploded everywhere. So, like, that's there. And, like, the Coke switch here is really sticky. So it's time for new switches. I will swap those out and I will show you the progress. Yeah, like, this one's really stuck. And when they stick, the motors will keep going and dropping sodas. So we got to fix that. I have some scalding hot water here for the brakes, and I have new micro switches for all the motor switches. Stay tuned. Check this out. So what I do for the brakes is this little corner right here is where it pivots and it gets sticky. So let's give it a little bit of water. It's not going to hurt it, but it will melt the soda syrup that gets inside that joint to cause the brake to stick. Easy fix, even if it is like 30 degrees outside. It's 40. So next I'm going to show you all the new motor switches once I get those installed. And what I do is I take the old switch. That's one of the two switches because there was two here. But the second one's not needed anymore. And I pry out the little tab that goes up into the switch here to put it into the new switch. Let's see if we can do this on screen, on camera. See, it'll go in that little slot right there. Just got to open it up just a smidgen. To get the new part in. And close it back up. Once you do that, she is all good to go. Put the spacer back on there, and the two screws through the two screws through it. And it reattaches. You only need one switch from here on out. You don't need the second one. How's it going? So here's all the new switches. I did it on 5 of them. So those now really click. When it's cycled. So now that it's all fixed, we're all good to go again. And hope you liked the repair video. Machine's working great again. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day.